Hi, this is Sherry Lukey.
And this is an audio for expecting the worst. Always taking full responsibility for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Starting on the karate chop. Even though I expect the worst to happen, I can still accept myself. Even though it feels safer to expect that things will turn out badly, I deeply and completely accept myself anyway. Even though I want to believe things will work out the way I want, I have so much evidence that it won't. I accept all of me anyway. Top of the head. I expect the worst will happen. Eyebrow. That things will turn out badly. Side of the eye. Feels like they always have. Under the eye. If I get my hopes up. Under the nose. I will just be even more disappointed. Chin. So it feels safer to expect that things won't work out. Collarbone. It won't hurt as much. Under the arm. I won't be as disappointed. Onto the ribs. All this evidence of things not turning out. Onto the wrist. I totally acknowledge all of this evidence. Top of the head. I acknowledge the fear of getting my hopes up. Eyebrow. The fear of being disappointed. Side of the eye. I wonder if not getting my hopes up under the eye is actually preventing the pain of disappointment. Under the nose. Feels like it is. Collarbone. But I wonder if it's true. Under the arm. Creating the possibility. Under the ribs. That I could see this from a different perspective. Onto the wrist. If not getting my hopes up, top of the head, and expecting the worst was working for me, eyebrow, then I wouldn't have felt pain and disappointment in the past. Side of the eye. I certainly have felt a lot of disappointment and pain in the past. Under the eye. I don't think this is working. Onto the nose. This is no longer serving me. Onto the chin. Maybe not getting my hopes up. Collarbone. And expecting the worst to happen. Under the arm. Is really just creating more disappointment and pain. Onto the ribs. Because as much as I don't want to think about the worst, onto the wrist, and things not working out. Top of the head. I end up focusing even more on that. Eyebrow. I am open and willing to trying something different. Side of the eye. Because I now know that not getting my hopes up under the eye does not prevent disappointment and pain. Under the nose. It's just my subconscious keeping me in what's familiar. Under the chin. Because familiar equals safe. Collarbone. Being hopeful and expecting the best. Under the arm. Feels so uncomfortable and unfamiliar. Onto the ribs. That's okay. I acknowledge that. Onto the wrist. I'm so grateful that I'm now getting familiar. Top of the head. With being hopeful and expecting great things to happen. Eyebrow. Knowing that what I focus on expands. Side of the eye. Knowing that being in relaxation response means anything is possible. Under the nose. That's where miracles happen. Onto the chin. I am so happy and grateful. Collarbone. That I now expect wonderful things to happen. Under the arm. Experiencing wonderful things. Onto the ribs. It's safe for me to get my hopes up. Onto the wrist. Enjoying, expecting the best. Take a nice deep breath. And just do that body scan. And if you need to, and if you have time, rinse and repeat.
I'm sure you enjoyed this audio. Be sure that you are tapping at least twice a day and whenever you feel stressed. If you would like more audios or have specific suggestions for audios you would like, please go to sherrylukey.com so that you can soothe your nervous system and reprogram your subconscious mind. Remember, when you heal the relationship with yourself, everything changes for the better.